Synesthesia. Synesthesia is a condition that causes blending of the senses, giving people the rare ability to hear colors, feel sounds, or taste shapes. Synesthesia is defined as an involuntary experience of cross-modal association in which the stimulation of one sensory modality causes perception in a different sensory modality. For someone with synesthesia, letters or numbers might be seen in a specific color. Months or days of the week might be arranged in a circle, or the sound of music might cause floating colored balls to move in their field of vision. For synesthetics, each sensation is a highly consistent. The letter G is always light purple, while the letter U is always orange. What's interesting is that all synesthetics seem to have very different sensory experience for the same stimulation. In addition, the perceived sense seems to have no correlation to meaning. The number 2 might be blue, while the word TWO might be green. Medicine has known about synesthesia for 3 centuries, but it is just again gaining real interest in the medical community. During the late 19th century, the study of synesthesia was very popular, with 75 papers being written in the 50 years between 1881 and 1931. This decreased to only 23 between the years of 1932 and 1982. This decrease in interest is probably due to the fact that synesthesia is based completely on subject first-person statement, which was not seen as credible data. We now finally have the technology to begin to research and understand synesthesia. There are 35 different recorded types of synesthesia. However, this does not rule out the possibility of there being other types of synesthetic pairs. The most common types of synesthesia are colored graphemes, where the colors or numbers are colored musical sounds, where sounds cause colors to appear in the visual field, and sound synesthetic taste, where stimulation causes one to experience taste. There are other sensory pairs of synesthesia, like taste synthetic touch or vision synthetic temperature. However, taste and smell are the least common triggers. It's clear that synesthesia deals with many features of human cognition like consciousness, perception, and attention, and memory and learning. It's important to not see synesthesia as good or bad. It is not a dysfunction or breakdown of the senses. In fact, most of those who have synesthesia see it as a gift. Most specialists think that it is an overlapping and crossing of the sensory neurons in the brain, causing sensory input to activate more than one response.
For me, living with synesthesia, I mean, it's just normal for me. I don't even really, realize it most days. I only found out about my having this disorder, a few years ago, but I've had it my entire life. When I was younger, I thought that it was normal. Everyone lived with it, so I thought it was a normal thing. But as I grew older, I started to realize that it was different. So I casually brought it up with my parents. I said, "Oh, can we get a license plate with a 7 and an F on it?" And they asked me why, and I said, "Oh, 'cause I like the color."